In the vast expanse of the cosmos, humanity has always sought new frontiers, from the earliest explorers who sailed across uncharted waters to the astronauts who ventured into the unknown realms of space. Our quest for discovery has been relentless. Today, we stand on the precipice of a new digital age, an era where technology is transforming every aspect of our lives. The digital revolution is not just about faster computers or smarter phones, it's about reimagining the very fabric of our society. This era is being shaped by innovations like Bitcoin, a revolutionary digital currency that promises to change the way we think about money. Bitcoin is like digital cash for the internet, enabling seamless transactions across the globe without the need for intermediaries. It's changing how we think about money and finance. Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning it operates on a peer-to-peer network. This means it operates without banks or governments, giving power back to the people and reducing the control of centralized institutions. It exists solely on a global network of computers, maintained by a community of users who validate transactions and secure the network. This unique characteristic has captured the attention of individuals and institutions worldwide, sparking debates and discussions about the future of finance. Bitcoin represents a bold experiment in trust and transparency, challenging traditional notions of currency and financial systems. As we navigate this digital revolution, the possibilities are endless and the journey has just begun. The origins of Bitcoin can be traced back to 2008. A mysterious figure known only as Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper. This document outlined the principles of a new electronic cash system. Nakamoto's vision was to create a currency free from centralized control. In 2009, Bitcoin was born. The first Bitcoin transaction took place between Nakamoto and a programmer named Hal Finney. This marked the beginning of a financial revolution. Bitcoin's value was initially negligible. However, its decentralized nature and potential to disrupt traditional finance quickly attracted attention. At the heart of Bitcoin lies the blockchain. This ingenious technology serves as a public ledger. It records every single Bitcoin transaction ever made. The blockchain is distributed across a network of computers. This makes it incredibly secure and difficult to manipulate. Imagine the blockchain as a giant digital book. Each page in this book represents a block. Every time a Bitcoin transaction occurs, it's recorded on a new page. These pages are linked together chronologically, forming an unbreakable chain of information. Obtaining Bitcoin is easier than one might think. Numerous online exchanges facilitate the buying and selling of Bitcoin. These platforms connect buyers and sellers, allowing for seamless transactions. Once you've acquired Bitcoin, you need a digital wallet to store it. Bitcoin wallets come in various forms, including mobile apps. Bitcoin wallets come in various forms, including hardware devices. These wallets store your Bitcoin securely and allow you to send and receive payments. Using Bitcoin is as simple as scanning a QR code. Using Bitcoin is as simple as entering a recipient's Bitcoin address. Section 5. The allure of Bitcoin, unveiling its advantages. Bitcoin offers several compelling advantages over traditional currencies. Firstly, its decentralized nature makes it resistant to censorship and control by any single entity. Transactions are also fast and inexpensive, particularly for international payments. Bitcoin's limited supply, capped at 21 million coins, makes it a deflationary asset. This means its value could potentially increase over time, similar to gold. These factors have contributed to Bitcoin's growing popularity as an investment and a medium of exchange. Section 6. Navigating the risks. Bitcoin's potential pitfalls. While Bitcoin presents exciting opportunities, it is essential to acknowledge the risks. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, experiencing significant price swings. This volatility can result in substantial gains and losses for investors. Security concerns also exist. Hacking incidents and scams have targeted Bitcoin users, highlighting the importance of secure storage and vigilance. Furthermore, Bitcoin's regulatory landscape remains uncertain, with governments worldwide grappling with how to classify and regulate this emerging asset class. Section 7. Bitcoin's future, speculation, and possibilities. The future of Bitcoin is a topic of much speculation. Some believe it will become a dominant global currency, replacing traditional financial systems. Others envision it as a store of value, akin to digital gold. The truth is, Only time will tell how Bitcoin's role in the global economy will evolve. Technological advancements, such as the Lightning Network, are being developed to address Bitcoin's scalability limitations. These innovations could pave the way for faster and cheaper transactions, potentially making Bitcoin a more viable option for everyday payments. Section 8. Conclusion. Embracing the digital frontier. In this ever-evolving landscape, we find ourselves at the cusp of a new era, where technology and finance intersect in unprecedented ways. Bitcoin represents a paradigm shift in finance. It is not just a digital currency but a symbol of a broader movement towards decentralization and financial autonomy. Its decentralized nature, coupled with the transformative potential of blockchain technology, has captured the imagination of millions worldwide. This technology promises to revolutionize not just finance but various sectors including supply chain, healthcare, and even governance. While risks and uncertainties exist, Bitcoin's journey is far from over. The volatility we witness is a testament to its dynamic nature and the evolving understanding of its value and utility. As we venture further into the digital age, it is essential to approach innovations like Bitcoin with curiosity and a healthy dose of skepticism. This balanced perspective allows us to appreciate the potential while being mindful of the pitfalls. By understanding its underlying principles, benefits, and risks, we can navigate this exciting new frontier with greater awareness. This knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions about its role in our lives, ensuring that we harness its potential responsibly and effectively. Section 9. Glossary of Terms Demystifying Bitcoin Jargon. In this section, we will break down some of the most commonly used terms in the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, making it easier for you to navigate this complex landscape. Bitcoin, BTC, a decentralized digital currency that operates on a blockchain network. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is not controlled by any government or financial institution, giving it a unique position in the financial world. Blockchain, a distributed ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions in a secure and transparent manner. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs, it is added to the ledger. Decentralization, the absence of a central authority or intermediary controlling the Bitcoin network. This means that no single entity has control over the entire network, making it more secure and resistant to censorship. Digital wallet, a software or hardware device used to store, send, and receive Bitcoin. Digital wallets come in various forms, including mobile apps, desktop software, and physical hardware devices, each offering different levels of security and convenience. Mining, the process of verifying and adding new transactions to the blockchain, rewarded with newly created Bitcoin. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, ensuring the integrity and security of the network. Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin. Despite numerous attempts to uncover their identity, Satoshi Nakamoto remains a mystery, adding an element of intrigue to the Bitcoin story. Volatility, the degree of price fluctuation in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin's price can change rapidly, influenced by factors such as market demand, regulatory news, and technological advancements. By familiarizing ourselves with these key terms, we can gain a deeper understanding of the Bitcoin ecosystem and engage in more informed discussions about its implications for the future. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, knowing the jargon is the first step towards mastering the world of Bitcoin.